Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. Today we're going to maiden run the M700. I'm very excited about it. It's a nice sunny day, there's a light chop in the water. Let's put the lipo in and let's go. We've got the lipo installed. I'm running a 4S 5000 mAh CNHL 65C battery. And I'm running a 3660 3190 kV motor with a ZTW Shark 100 amp speed controller. The maiden run will be with a 40mm 1.4 pitch prop, and we are going to measure the speed with the GPS, but I'm not going to show you because you can guess the speed, and whoever guesses the speed the most accurate will win a kit of this boat. To celebrate my 5k subscriber mark, guys, thank you very much. I'm stoked to reach that. Enough talking, let's tape it up and let's go. Alright, there we go. Maiden run, the M700. Taking it easy for the first couple of meters. Wow, nice. Okay, the water cooling works well. Oh, I hear some strange sound. I think the collet is slipping. Okay, I tightened the collet. It was slipping, and there was also quite some water in the hull. And I suspect that one of the cooling outlets of the cooling jacket was leaking. So I put some CA glue on it. Hopefully that solves the issue. Let's try again. Get you zoomed in a bit. Okay. Nice. Wow. It is fast for sure. Let's do a sprint here. Wow. Crazy. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Wow, crazy. Let's check it. Okay, tape came loose. Let's bring it back to the shore again. There was again some water in the hull, and I suspect, as I said, the outlets of the cooling jacket to be leaking. And this time I also shifted the lipo slightly forward. Wow, yes. It's more planted now. Let's do another sprint. Awesome, wow. Yes, it's fast. This is just with a 440 props too, so. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! It catched its own wake. Still running a bit loose. Wow. So this is no trim tabs, even no turn fins. But wow, this thing is ripping. Alright, let's quit it to check the internals and to see if there's not too much water in the hull. But wow, this thing rips. Awesome. So I think that I could still shift the center of gravity forward a bit more, or maybe down tilt the stinger drive a bit. Of course I can also add trim tabs, but that's more like the last solution if I don't get it right. Okay. I brought another lipo so we can run another pack. And I also brought a 640 prop. I checked the speed of the first trial before I opened it up, or before I closed it again for the second trial. And yeah, I won't tell the number since you have to guess it to win this kit, but I was impressed. Let's say like that. Hopefully there's not too much water in the hull. I put some CA glue, some super glue on the water cooling nipples. Okay, yeah, it seems to have worked. There's still some water in the hull, but okay, quite a lot actually. Oh, that's too bad. So yeah, I have to address the leaking issue. This is bad. It's pretty bad. It could also come through the stinger tube, maybe. The stuffing tube. Alright. Time for the second run. I put a fresh lipo in. I installed a 640 prop. I again shifted the lipo a bit more forward, because I think it will be crazy fast like this. Let's see. There's quite a strong wind. The wind picked up, so I'm not sure if I can get any good top speed, but hey, it's kind of the maiden run still, right? So whoa! No way, man! Alright. This is some serious power. I cannot really keep it on the water actually. No, it wants to pick up. It wants to pick up. It's running too loose, but I cannot shift the lipo more forward, so well, not at this moment. Oh! Wow! Yeah, running too loose. Actually, I'm also running a short rudder blade. Not full throttle. Yeah, it needs a longer rudder blade too. Oh, wow, lucky. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the performance of this hull. It's running great. Nice. A longer rudder blade will definitely help to tame it down. Keep it on the water. Okay. No. Hopefully I didn't lose the prop. No. Prop is still there. But no drive. Wow, check it out, the prop. Very, very lucky that I didn't lose it. So it came out of the collet, obviously. But it is still there. Man, really lucky. I fear that there's water in the hull again. Yes, oh wow. A lot of water actually. Okay, let's not show the GPS for you. So what happened is I actually broke the flex shaft. That's crazy. I still see there's a piece in the collet. So wow, that's not good news. So there might be an alignment issue or something, but I will check it in the workshop. Alright guys, that's it for the maiden run. I will not disclose the speed. You can guess it, the speed on the first outing with the 440 prop and the speed of the second outing with this 640 prop. Whoever guesses the speed the closest, and if there are several people who guessed it correctly, I will pick a winner from the correct answers, and a winner will receive this M700 kit. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you later. Bye!